Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing this woman's makeup. What's your name?
August.
August. So you might know me from my art channel. I made these amazing maracas yesterday in my latest video. So you might want to check that out. But if you really like my channel, I'm sorry you missed the live chat. So you see I'm up early at 6 o'clock because she has to go to work and she asked me to do her makeup because I'm a great artist. So let's get started. First, I'm going to start by cleansing her face with this cucumber and mint with Hazel Quins. I think that's what it's called. So I like to cleanse faces before I do any makeup because it just makes sure your face is nice and clean. Do it all around eyes. You don't need to do too much, so there. And now I'm going to put on some Aveeno Daily Moisturizing lotion because it really just makes sure your skin is nice, looking good. Now I'm going to rub it in. So the first thing I'm going to start to do is actually just make her face, just make sure it's like pop with some brown makeup like this. Right here. It has lots of different skin colors on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my makeup brush. I have this one right here. I'm just going to get the closest color to her skin and just, not too much. Just a little. Around all the hard to get spots. And then maybe something a little bit darker just to bring out the light colors.
How long have you been doing makeup?
I actually haven't been doing makeup. It's just like some art that I sometimes do when people, running late for work. So this could take a while, so I'll be back. If it looks a little bit too pale on the face, just add a little bit more lotion just to make it shiny and more natural. Next, I'm going to do a few freckles going down the nose. You can do fake freckles if you like freckles, or if you already have freckles, you already have your freckles. So I have this, you can use eyeliner, but you can't like do it too hard, just, very light, like this. So I had to move a little bit closer because I'm also doing a live chat here and people said she was too far away. Next I'm going to be doing blush. And the blush I'm using is actually eyeshadow because I've used eyeshadow for me in some of my videos and it's been really good. There. And now for eyeshadow, I'm not going to show you a brand because you can actually do whatever kind of brand of eyeshadow you like. I'm just doing a little bit of white up here. And now I'm going to do a little bit of pink. I had to move a little bit over here because we're doing a live chat and people said she was too much and they couldn't really see her. So now I'm doing like pink and purple mixed together. Make a nice blend. Something that I personally like to do. There. And in there, you're just going to add the same color. Or if you like, you could add a different color. Just... And now I'm going to do a little bit of mascara, not too much. Would you like white or black?
White, please. No, I'm sorry, black.
And sometimes this gets a little bit watery, so ma'am, can you please blink? No, like, just close your eyes. Really tight. Thank you. And now I'm going to do her eyebrows with this thin brush right here. So I'm using Cameo Dark Perfect Brow. And I'm going to do this middle color right here. Ma'am, would you like mascara on your eyebrows to make them go up a little bit more?
No thanks.
A little bit over there. There. And now I'm going to do a little bit of lipstick. Which one, ma'am?
I think I like both of them.
So would you like one half one color and one half the other, or different colors like that? Or would you like me to do this one and gloss it with this?
I think I like half and half, like one color on this side and one color on that side.
Or all like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Because I'm going to a special meeting today.
And for this, I'm just going to look a little down right there. Just which side would you like the gloss?
I'll do the gloss on this side.
Which side?
On my left.
It doesn't show much. That's why most people like gloss, but it still looks pretty. Close your mouth. There. And you are finished.
Oh my gosh.
Is it like a special meeting party?
Yeah, it's a special meeting, and I think I'm going to represent really well. Thank you so much.
Let's go over everything. Aveeno lotion, cucumber matte face cleaning, cleansing, cameo, dark perfect brow, Aztec Tika, contour series cream, any kind of eyeshadow you like, mascara, and of course, makeup brushes. You don't have to use it, but I used
Ulta
eyeshadow for her blush. And that's basically it. So you can have fun playing around with this. You could switch it up. You could do a different design. But this was just, some ideas that you could use. Thank you. Hey guys, so I'm an artist. So you might want to check out my art channel and all my other channels because I have a lot of channels. I do a lot of different things, but I like to keep them in categories. So you can look me up. I'm Yara, #ArtEverything. So you can look me up on YouTube and you might see me because I do a lot of fun stuff. So thank you. Bye.